Hi everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1, question number 2 from NCERT grade 7 textbook. So question number 2, the A part is write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So the difference has to be 8 and they are also asking for a pair of negative integers. So let's take minus 2 and minus 10. Let's check it out. So minus 2, they told difference. So put a minus sign and then minus 10. Put it in brackets. So minus into minus is plus. So minus 2 plus 10, again use brackets. So are the signs same or opposite? It is opposite. So we have to subtract it. So 10 minus 2 will give you 8. And 10 is a bigger number with a plus sign. So this 8 will get a plus sign. So it means just writing a 8. So minus 2 and minus 10 are the pair of integers whose difference gives 8. And then the B part is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So sum has to be minus 5. They want a negative integer and a positive integer. So we can select minus 10 and 5. I told you the results, the answer will vary from student to student. So I have taken minus 10 and 5. Let us see what is the sum of this. So minus 10 plus 5. Use brackets like this. There is no sign in front of 5. So it means there is a plus sign. Now are the signs same or opposite? Opposite, so we have to subtract it. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5. And 10 is a bigger number with a minus sign. So the answer will be minus 5. So that's what they needed. Sum should be minus 5 and a negative integer and a positive integer. So that completes the problem. The third one is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So they need a negative integer and a positive integer. And the difference should be minus 3. So what can we take? So what about minus 5 and plus 2? So the difference means minus 5 minus 2. But then we will not get the difference as minus 3. So this pair will not suit. So the difference has to be minus 3 and also we need a negative integer and a positive integer. So what about if I change the order 2 and minus 5? So it will be 2 minus 5. Then also we will not get the answer. We will get only 7. So that again is ruled out. So what answer can we take? What pair of integers we can select? What about minus 1 and 2? So let us check that. So I'm going to take minus 1 and 2. So there is a negative integer and a positive integer. Now let us see the difference. So put it in brackets. I told you there should be a plus sign in the middle. So this bracket itself, don't put like this. When we have minus 2, you put like this. So there is a plus sign in the middle. So minus 1 plus minus 2. So are the signs same or different? Signs are same. So we have to add it. So 1 plus 2 gives 3 and both the numbers are having minus sign. So this 3 will also have a minus sign. So the correct pair of integers are minus 1 and 2. You should be careful after selecting the integers, check it out, work it out to see whether you have selected the right pair. Now let us look at question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So let us see which team scored more. So what about team A? Team A's score is given as minus 40, 10 and 0. It means to find out totally how much team A scored, just add it. So minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. So you can just leave the 0, it is not going to change the answer. So minus 40 plus 10, put it in brackets like this. Are the signs same or opposite? It is opposite, so we have to subtract it. So 40 minus 10 is 30 and 40 has a minus sign. So this 30 will get a minus sign. So team A's score was minus 30. Now what about team B? So let us look at team B's score. So it is given as 10, 0 and minus 40. So again, to find out the total of team B score, you have to add everything. It is like this. So leave the 0. So now you are left with the problem like this. 10 plus this. Here there is a plus sign. The signs are opposite, so you have to subtract it. So the answer will be 30 with the minus sign. So what can we see here? Both the teams have scored equally, and that is minus 30. So that was the answer for which team scored more. Now they have asked, can we say that we can add integers in any order? So for that, the answer is yes. In the previous classes, I told you addition is commutative over integers, and even addition is associative for integers. So we can say that we can add integers in any order. So that finishes question number 3. Now let us look at question number 4. So question number 4, the first one, these are just fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. So the first one, they have given minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus, there is a blank here. So you know addition is commutative for integers. So if you change the order, nothing is going to happen. So you can just put minus 5 there. So that is the answer. Second one, minus 53 plus blank is equal to minus 53. So in additive identity, I told you only 0 will not change any number. So naturally the answer has to be 0. Third one, 17 plus dash is equal to 0. So when will we get 0? So whenever you take the same number with the opposite sign, see this 17 is having a plus sign. So just take minus 17. So that will give you the answer as 0. If you have any doubt or you are not sure about the answer, just check it out. See 17 plus minus 17. So this has a plus sign and here minus sign. The signs are opposite. So we have to subtract it. We are getting a 0. See to it that you are checking it and then writing the answers. Don't lose your marks unnecessarily. Now the next one, 13 plus minus 12 plus, there is a blank here, is equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. It's like this. So this is based on the associative property. I told you in associative property we will always deal with 3 integers, and only the difference will be the way we are adding the brackets. the brackets which we are solving first. So here, based on the associative property, minus 7 will come in the blank. So the answer is minus 7. Now the fifth one, again it is based on associative property. So whenever 3 integers are used, the question is based on the associative property, is equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. So there is only a change of brackets between the left hand side and right hand side. So the answer is minus 3. So that finishes exercise 1.1. That's all for today. So practice maths every day. And also, if anyone is interested to join for tuitions, I'll be taking tuitions only for grades 6, 7 and 8. If you are interested, you can contact me through my Gmail. Thank you.